कैंपस पर एंट्री करते ही एक वर्ड आपको सबसे ज्यादा सुनाई देगा, प्लेसकॉम। स्टूडेंट्स इनके लिए रास्ता छोड़ देते हैं, बैचमेट्स इनकी इज्जत करते हैं और जूनियर्स इनसे डरते हैं। But if you think that placement committee is just a glamorous club that picks up a phone, calls an corporate company, and manages an event on campus, then you are dead wrong. Welcome to day 10 of our MBA Before MBA series. Let's look at a quick reality check. Placecom is not an event management team. It's a high intensity, multi million dollar B2B corporate enterprise operating inside an academic campus. On day zero of placements, you aren't a student. You are a crisis manager handling multiple recruiters, hundreds of nervous students, overlapping schedules, and millions in corporate stakes, all while sleeping exactly 2 hours a night. In this video, I'm going to peel back the curtain. We will discuss what Placecom actually does, why understanding their roles is your biggest unfair advantage to crack the day zero placements, and I am going to share 5 secret websites that the Fortune 500 executives use to handle the corporate crises. These 5 websites are going to make you absolute bulletproof for your Placecom selection interviews. So before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and now let's get started. Let's start with the hard truth. What does a Placecom member actually do? First, corporate B2B negotiation. So, when a tier 1 consulting firm or an FMCG giant comes to the campus, they don't just hand out jobs. Placecom negotiates the number of shortlists, the compensation brackets, and the specific roles being offered. You are literally selling the brand value of your college to the CXOs there. Second, the mass operations and logistics. Imagine managing a process where 500 students need to interview for 15 different companies across 12 different rooms, and every single company has a different timeline, an aptitude test, and a shortlist constraint. One small delay in room number 4 can collapse the entire placement drive by midnight. And finally, the conflict resolution and client management. So, what happens when a global HR head gets furious because a student turned up 5 minutes late for an interview? You don't panic. You handle that angry client like an account manager at McKinsey or any such big four. Now, why is this important for you even if you don't want to join Placecom? Understanding this operational matrix teaches you how corporate hiring works behind closed doors. It stripes away the student's mindset and builds an executive presence. और अगर आपको प्लेसकॉम ज्वाइन करना है, then you need to show the selection panel that you already possess these skills before you even step into that interview room. अब बात करते हैं रिसोर्सेज की। तो सीनियर पैनल सिलेक्शन राउंड्स में आपको टेक्स्ट बुक क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछेंगे। दे विल थ्रो यू इनटू अ हाई प्रेशर सिचुएशनल सिमुलेशन, एंड टू क्रैक दोज, do not look for student level advice. Use the exact toolkits used by the global executives. And here are the 5 websites you need to master. Number 1 is logistics and scheduling, and for that I would suggest you Vertex 42. Go to this website, download their master production schedule and project timeline templates. Look closely at how their formulas are helping them to track resource constraints. In a Placecom drill, the seniors will give you a chaotic pool of students and companies and limited rooms, and then they will tell you spot the scheduling bottleneck in 10 minutes. An executive doesn't guess, remember, huh? They map it out using resource allocation logic, and this layout will teach you to manage the complex flows effortlessly. The second one is ethical dilemma, and for that, I would suggest you Marcula Center for Applied Ethics. Go to this website and navigate to their ethical decision making framework section. Read up on their utilitarian approach and virtue approach articles, and from there you will understand many things. Placecom panels love to trap you by asking, अगर आपका सबसे पक्का दोस्त प्लेसमेंट रूल्स ब्रेक करेगा तो क्या आप उसे रिपोर्ट करोगे? If you say yes, then you look heartless. If you say no, then you lack integrity. So these frameworks actually help you or teach you how to justify these tough institutional decisions using objective corporate logic rather than just emotional guesswork. The third one is for your stress endurance. This website is called as vault.com. Go to this website and look for their investment banking interview guides. specifically go around the chapters on stress interviews and business brain teasers, Walt explicitly maps out the psychological tactics interviewers use to rattle you, like intentional aggressive silence, cutting you off mid sentence, or picking apart your credentials. Knowing these mechanics in advance lets you maintain a very steady tone, posture, and pacing them with the panel when the panel tries to apply pressure. The fourth one is for your corporate tone. HubSpot templates is the one I suggest you for it. Search their repository for customer success crisis, email templates, or service downtime scripts. If a recruiter threatens to walk out because of an administrative error, then you cannot speak like a scared student. HubSpot templates will give you the precise, non defensive corporate vocabulary which is required to acknowledge a breakdown, de escalate an angry stakeholder, and clearly state a resolution path without shuddering or over apologizing. The fifth one and the final one is for your strategic mindset, and that is none other than hbr.org. That's Harvard Business Review. You don't need to subscribe to this because जैसे ही आप कॉलेज में जाओगे you will get a subscription of that automatically. वहाँ पर brief case summaries हैं जिनसे आप पढ़कर समझ सकते हो about corporate governance failures and some systematic issues. It forces you to see the big picture, and when a disaster happens on day zero, you will be ready for that. Reading HBR will train your brain to think like an executive handling a high stake business continuity crisis. Remember, PlaceCom doesn't select the smartest student, they select the most dependable crisis manager. Use these five resources and build your logic. You will never ever feel any problem while sitting for your PlaceCom selection interviews. Trust me, you will get an unfair advantage there. I have compiled these direct links, okay, in my description box of all the templates, frameworks, and the case banks I've been talking about. And if you found this breakdown valuable, then give this video a thumbs up, share it with your batchmate who needs a reality check, and comment below which of these five websites are you going to check out first. But, don't go away right now. I will see you tomorrow for day 11 of our series where we are going to dive into another massive B School survival pillar. Until then, stay sharp, keep learning, and go conquer the world. Bye bye, guys. Take care. Thank you so much for watching.